Hey guys, so we're actually at our first stop for the day. We're at REI. We need to go tent shopping. Even though we already have
both of us seem that
we already have 2 in the garage, but we are headed next week to the Fast Life Campout. Yep, 2 Up Journey Junkies' first moto camping trip.
Susan's first moto camping.
Not nervous about the camping, nervous about like where are we putting all this camp stuff on the bike. But so Sam wants to get a bigger tent, so I guess the question for today is
Susan wants to get a bigger tent.
Is bigger always better? We'll see. Okay, I'll find it.
Anybody want a tent for $700?
Cool store, impressive prices. On to the next. Number 2.
Yeah, that was a bust.
They have no tents. If you want clothes, that's still not at warehouse sale prices.
What are you doing?
Showing everybody what we have to do at every stop.
Gotta look good, play good.
I hit record a drop, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier.
So we're at a Real Dick's now.
Yeah.
And they have a lot of options actually.
And they're cheap for, so we don't know if we should get a
side tent.
It says only 69 bucks. That's kind of cool. That'd fit on the back.
Or at Sportsman's Warehouse, looking at tents.
Another expensive place.
Look, this sleeps 6. If you sleep just like that.
Yeah.
Everybody sleeps right in a row. You're in your favorite store, Sam.
Wally World?
They actually have the best selection, like the most. What will we get? Or just use the ones we already have in our garage.